I am so grateful for Monmouth College and taking care of my son. He has done amazing, and I am so very proud of him.
This is our second child graduating from Monmouth. We're so proud of his growth and acceleration. We're all Scots now, so thank you so much for taking care of both our sons. Thank you.
Love Neeling's so proud that she has made it through her 4 years at Monmouth. She's had great friends. We're excited to wrap up and see the next chapter.
We just thank you for all you did here. We thank you to the coaches, the faculty. We're just so proud of him, of what he did and what he accomplished.
We had an amazing experience the last 3 years with 2 sons coming out of here, but we want to give a special shout out to this one right here. We're so proud of him, his resilience, his talent, and just his drive and his push, and we can't wait to see what God has for him next.
It's been a long road, a tough road, I think. She's pushed through, and she's going to continue on to work on her PhD, and that's exciting for us and the family.
We're so proud of everything she's accomplished here on the campus, student athlete, honor society, and everything else. And it's great just to be close to home and be able to be a part of everything.